Bakit ba importante magbigay tayo ng oras sa financial education? Kasi may mga personal challenges tayo. Unang-una is, do you have problems paying your bills? And then, are you concerned about your job, your career? And are you paid what you are worth? Madalas naman talagang maliit lang ang sweldo or underpaid. Are your children growing up and your parents growing old faster than you can provide for them? Talagang sobrang magastos. And do you feel your financially trapped is affecting your family? Number one na reason kaya nag-aaway ang mag-asawa ay dahil sa financial problem. And is life passing you by? 10 years, 20 years, 30 years ka na pala nagtatrabaho, bakit wala pa ring progress sa personal finance? And do you still have hope for a brighter future? Importante simulan natin sa right mindset. And of course, dapat may right information tayo. And syempre, sabayan natin ng execution. Gawin natin tuloy-tuloy ang ating mga action. To know more about savings and investment, message mo na ako sa FB, Roan Celis Capistrano.